In this day and age, where data is this important, where personal information is valuable, the question is, what are we doing about it? Are we able to protect it? Do we truly realize its value?
The event is to educate people who are interested in complying with the Data Privacy Act. The law requires that there is a deadline in March, and that's why we called it Countdown.
Refers to what?
The registration of the processing systems with the National Privacy Commission. So we need to register what personal information your organization collects and processes, and then what do you do with that information, and whether or not you've secured the consent of those individuals.
Because when you think of it as just some law that imposes additional burdens, then you will forget what the law is for. Parang gagawin mo na lang siyang checklist. Sige, may DPO ako, check. Sige, meron akong PIA, check. But it's not supposed to be like that, because at its core, that law is about protecting individuals, protecting their personal information. So when we realize how valuable it is, because it is, no? Sabi nga, di ba, information is the currency of power. Because losing it, having your personal data in the wrong hands could cause real harm to data subjects. Pwedeng physical harm, pwedeng financial harm, but the worst of all is if it will affect your dignity already.
Until we find new ways to secure data or improve, the technology improves, then data breaches are almost forgone. It's a matter of what steps you take. What's important is that we build the walls to make it difficult. And then try your best to make sure that data is not disclosed. But there's a lot of interest now, and there's a lot of I think people want to learn more about the Data Privacy Act.
Let's show the world that indeed we as a country will be committed to personal data protection. That whenever data is sent here, when data is processed in the Philippines, then we can guarantee that all safeguards have been put in place, that while dangers may not be avoided, but we still have the commitment of everyone to protect personal data.